Hey, welcome back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to send cryptocurrency anonymously using Ace Wallet. First, ensure the Ace Wallet application is installed in your device. Now, tap and open the Ace Wallet application and log in using your credentials. Some cryptocurrency offer built-in anonymous features in Ace Wallet. Privacy-focused coins like Monero, Zcash, and Dash are available. These coins use advanced cryptographic technique to hide transaction details. If you don't have these coins, create a wallet for one of them. Now, to do this, click on Send button. After that, you can either send it to bank/cash or to Ace from bank or cash or to another wallet or exchange. Click on the desired option and select the cryptocurrency. And click on Agree the terms and click on Confirm and Finish. Here, you need to type the amount you want to send. Also, avoid reusing the address. Each time you receive funds, use a new receiving address. Ace Wallet automatically generates new address when needed, ensuring better privacy for future transactions. After setting up a privacy coin wallet and following the privacy steps, you can send the funds anonymously. Tap on the wallet, then tap Send and enter the recipient address and amount. By using privacy-focused coin and adding additional network privacy, you can send cryptocurrency more anonymously through Ace Wallet. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.